Welcome back to Ride Review. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dacia Dokker, a practical, no-nonsense MPV that combines versatility with affordability, designed to meet the needs of those who want function without the fuss. Let's kick things off with a unique feature that sets the Dokker apart: its massive sliding rear doors. These doors make getting in and out or loading up the car easy and seamless, especially in tight spots. Now, under the hood, the Dokker comes with a reliable 1.5-liter diesel engine that outputs around 95 horsepower and 230 newton-meters of torque. While it's not built for speed, it's optimized for efficiency, providing impressive fuel economy for longer drives and everyday commutes. Paired with a smooth 6-speed manual transmission, it delivers a balanced driving experience that's both predictable and reliable, ideal for city driving and weekend getaways. On the inside, Dacia sticks to its reputation for straightforward, functional design. You'll find durable materials and a clean, simple layout. There's plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, plus flexible seating that makes it easy to configure for transporting goods or carrying up to 5 passengers. It's the perfect solution for families, small business owners, or anyone needing that extra space without compromising on comfort. The infotainment system in the Dokker is refreshingly user-friendly. Equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen, it includes essentials like Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, so you stay connected on the go. Dacia's focus here is on providing just what you need, without unnecessary extras that push the price up. In terms of storage, the Dokker shines. With a generous boot capacity of 800 liters and easily collapsible rear seats, it offers a lot of flexibility for carrying luggage, equipment, or even small furniture. Roof rails are also standard, making it a breeze to add more storage for outdoor adventures or heavy-duty needs. When it comes to safety, the Dokker packs essentials like ABS, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags. It may not come loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, but it offers solid protection and reliability, just what you need for peace of mind. And here's the clincher. The Dokker is an incredibly budget-friendly choice in the MPV market. Starting at around €16,000, it's a practical vehicle that offers true value for money, ideal for those who need space and utility on a budget. Thanks for watching Ride Review. We'll be back with a look at another exciting vehicle that's sure to turn heads. Until then, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat, and let us know your thoughts on the Dokker in the comments. See you in the next one.